Pokemon, and we're gonna start right now. So first we're gonna draw the head. So first do this. First add a little hill right there. Then go down like that. Okay? Did you do it? Great. So then make a little line like that. Like a little mountain right down. And then like go down like that. Then add a upside down hill. Then go back up like this. Okay? Then we're gonna add another little squiggly line. Then we're gonna connect it to the right side up hill. So now we're gonna add the time. So make a line. Then add a triangle like here, and then add another. Then add another line. Now we're gonna add the throat hole. So make like a crescent. Then make kind of a heart shape. Then color it in with your pencil if you have one. Then we're gonna add a little bird like this. Then we're gonna add another, and another, and another. So now we're gonna draw. Ready? Okay, so now make a line down. Then make another upside down hill. Then we're gonna add the jaw. And so then we're gonna add the top of the head. So now make a right side uphill. So then now we're gonna draw the eye, just like this. So do like a little circle right here, and add a really thin line like that. Then we're gonna add a tiny little bump right there. Then we're gonna add a really thin line like that. Then we're gonna add a downhill, then that. Okay? Then we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Now we're gonna add the rest of the body. So make a little line like this. Then add a tiny little line like that. Then do this. Then I like kind of make a bump. Okay? And then make the bone follow that line and make it get smaller. So now we're gonna add the rattle. So now, so draw like an oval. Now draw a smaller oval and another. Now let's do a different oval shape. Now like that and that. So then we're gonna add another line, right? A tiny little line right there. Then we're gonna add a line right here. So then we're gonna color it. So first you get up like a purple. Then color in the head like this. So then color in the rest like this. And we're gonna color the eye, which is a yellow. So get like a bright yellow, and color in the top of the eye. Then do the same with the other eye. Then we're gonna get a little darker yellow and color in the rest of the eye. So then we're gonna color the one, which is gonna be a pink, like this. Then color it in. Then we're gonna add a really bright pink right here. So then add a bright pink for the rest of the mouth right here. Then we're gonna go back to the dark pink and color in the top of the mouth. So then we're gonna go back to the purple that we had with the head and color in this part. Then we're gonna get light yellow again. Then make a line like that. Then color in that right here. Then we're gonna get a darker yellow, just like for the eye. And then color in this. Then we're gonna get another and get the same purple. But you can make it any color you want, okay? So then we're going to color in the rattle. So get a light yellow and color in half of the top parts of the ovals. So then get your darker yellow and color in the rest. And now we are all done with the video!